Hello folks, today we're giving an honest review on this REDMOND 10 cup coffee maker. Looks really nice to the eye. It's got his water reservoir here on the side so you can see how much water you're putting in. It's got a 10 cup pot. In here I already have it loaded up. Is this reusable filter. As you can see, water reservoir. And it's got some cool features where you can program it to whatever time you want it started. I already have it loaded up, but this is how easy and simple this coffee maker is. Just hit on and then it'll start the brewing process. Keep you guys on so you guys could see it in action. The price is great. Cheap coffee maker. It looks nice. There it goes. Anyway, it'll brew, and I've never really timed how long it takes to brew. Obviously, depending on how much water you put in it. But there it is in action. Cool little dial here, and then you're programming and on and off. Anyway, thank you.